Okay, this is the finished product. So let's eat now. Let's eat. It's Jairus' favorite. Okay, let's eat now. Jairo, he cannot wait. So I need to give him rice. Wait, mag-rice ka. This little. It's hot. So rice and lumpia roll. It is pork, vegetable, lumpia roll. So let's eat, guys. Let's go eat. Have a great day, everyone. This is Dexel from Real Life in the province of the Philippines. So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make pork lumpia roll. So let's go and prepare. Okay, welcome back. So I have here, let's start. I have here sayote vegetables. I got to make the lumpia roll or the lumpia mini. So I can roll many as I can. So I have here 2 carrots. And also, guys, this is just very affordable because sayote is very cheap here. Maybe this is only 5 pesos each or 10 pesos each. Compared to potato. Potato is very expensive. Here, it's almost 200 pesos per kilo. So I rather buy this one alternative of the potato. Then I got here 2 carrots. I got here 2 bell pepper. And I got here also, oh, this is not included. I got here lumpia wrapper. So this is worth of 60 pesos, guys. So then I got here also in the refrigerator the half kilo of meat. I'm going to grind this half kilo of pork meat. So all in all, this is 120 pesos, half kilo. Then I got here, this is 20 pesos. So 120 plus 20 pesos, 140. This one is only 20 pesos. This one, carrots is expensive right here a little bit. This is 160 plus this 160 pesos. So 220 plus this one, this is only 10 pesos. 230. Then I got here onion and garlic. Pink. So this is all we can compute this 250 pesos all in all. I'm going to make this as a lumpia roll. So let's go. already done grinding the meat. I already done chopping all the condiments. This is only the main ingredients of the lumpia, pork lumpia. This is the garlic and onion and the bell pepper. Then I got this already grind. Then I need to wash this first before I'm going to grind this. Okay, wash. Yes, I just kind of wash like that. Okay. Okay. So by the way, guys, I already have my water line fixed. I asked my daughter's friend to come over here and help me doing this, and it's all good now. So let me put this. Not all, guys. I cannot put all of this in one like this. This is mini. So let me put this again. Okay. Okay. There's something. There's something. Okay. So carrots and sayote, I just mix them together one time. Then I'm going to put that here, strainer, because sayote is full of water. I don't want my pork lumpia or just watery. I really don't like it. Okay. Wow, came out good. Look at that. So I'm just going to put that here. Very simple recipe, but it's very, very a lot of work. I mean, it's a lot of work. I know all of you want to watch me while I'm cooking. Then while cooking, I'm talking. Yeah, I can do it. Just gonna do it every time I cook, talk and cook, because I'm really not used to this while doing video. Then talking, it's hard for me. I need to practice, guys. Oops, one carrot folded. Again. Okay, let's put them together. Oh, let's see what's the result. Okay. Okay. Again, one more. One more, guys. Just pull off. Okay. One more. Okay. Let's check. Okay. I think this is enough. I need to something under the strainer because it's really watery. The sayote vegetable is very watery, guys. That's why I need to strain it. I don't want when I'm cooking the lumpia recipe or ingredients will just get watery. Okay. So guys, my hand is clean, huh? I've been washing my hands every minute. Every minute, guys. I've been washing them. Okay, I can wash this again. Because I'm going to grind the bell pepper. The bell pepper. Onion and garlic. Okay. Okay. Let's grind this, babies. Okay. Okay. So if I'm in the kitchen, everything is from time to time I wash my hand. Okay. Whoa. Nice result. I got here. I can use my hand because this is clean hand. Don't worry, because I always wash my hand every time with soap. With soap. I mean, and wash it again. Then next we have the onion. Let's go. Try the onion. You know why I just ground them all? I just want them even. Uh-oh. Hold on. Okay. 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 No need to chop them. I got a special cutter here. Then, next, the bell pepper. I don't need to wash them every time. So let's put this. Okay. The bell pepper. The bell pepper. The bell pepper. Okay. Oh. Okay. Everything's done. So, it's time for me to cook them. Oh my god, this is very chilly. Oh no, it's not. It just smells good, guys. Okay. Let's put them together here. Okay. Okay. So that's me. Let's cook now. Okay guys, it's time for us to cook all the ingredients that I prepared. So I have here this one, the ground pork, the ground vegetables that I drained. I got here the lumpia wrapper. Then I got here the condiments. Then let's add salt. And for me, I'm going to put a little magic syrup. So let's go. Okay. While waiting for this food to cool, I leave it cool. It's very hot still. So I need to remove or remove this one by one, guys, because I got this in each bundle 10 pieces, and this is fresh. I'm going to study how to make this one because I think this is easy to make. This lumpia wrapper. This is only flour, guys. So just like this. So meaning it didn't crack. Meaning it's still new. Still new, guys. Still new and fresh. So I need to study how to make lumpia wrapper. So I can share also here in my videos. Then I can make this as a business also. I just need to study how to make all these things. And also I wanted to make a little business here. I don't know how it works here. I know already here in our province it doesn't work well. I already tried everything. Okay. Lumpia. Lumpia wrapper. Lumpia. Lumpia wrapper. Yung inas tita Col, kuan? Nang ina tita Col, maglungag na yung sinanay. Kali.
Marunong sa ani? Ito natin niya.
Lumpia wrapper.
Ako.
So guys, I'm going to remove this one by one so I can wrap them. While it's still hot, I'm doing this. This is the second to the last part of the video, guys. Because at the end, I'm going to cook some of it. Some of it. Well, let's taste it. Food. Yummy food. So one bundle, guys, is 10 pieces. 5, 6, 7. So I got here 3 left. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I already get 10. Another bundle. So Nadine bought, she bought 40 pieces. So let's see if I can make 40 pieces out of this. Okay? Okay guys, I already prepared 10 pieces of the lumpia wrapper. So I'll try to wrap some of this. It's a little cooler now. I will try. It's okay already. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. So I'm just gonna use water. Oh. I'm just gonna use water. Then, okay. Oh. So let me drink water first. Okay guys. I'll try if it's already okay to wrap this. So let's do this. It's because this is our own food only. We're just gonna eat this. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. But if you're going to sell this, it's not 1 tablespoon, guys. Because I'm gonna lose. You wrap this way. I don't know if you all can see it. Wrap. Wrap that way. I'm learning, guys. Okay. 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 Wow, came out good. So I got water here. Just like this. So I use mineral water, guys. So don't worry. This is my husband's favorite, the kids' favorite, Gyro's favorite. Okay. Finished product. Finished product. Okay. Okay, this is the finished product. So let's eat now. Let's eat. It's Gyro's favorite. Okay, let's eat now. Gyro, he cannot wait. So I need to give him
Ada.
rice.
Hindi
Wait,
ako rice.
mag-rice ka.
Ada.
Just little.
Ada. Ada. Ada rice.
It's hot. So rice and lumpia roll. It is pork, vegetable, lumpia roll. So let's eat, guys. Let's go eat. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Please do watch the video from the very first until the last. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. God bless us all.